Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to change the pointer size on your LG TV with WebOS 25. So grab your remote control and we'll start by pressing and holding the settings button. Keep it held down until you see the menu appear. Next, use the pointer buttons to go down the menu on the left hand side. Go to General, then across to the right and head down this menu until you get to System. Once there, we go across to the right again. This time we're heading down and we're stopping at Additional Settings. Across to the right and skirt down to Pointer Options. Across to the right here, second option is pointer size. Go across and here we have the three options. You can see medium is already selected. This is the default and it's highlighted small size. So if I just press enter here and I shake the remote control to activate the cursor, you can see a smaller cursor now. Now if I go to pointer size again, across to the right or enter, I can go down to large, select that, and now you will see the larger pointer. And again, if I want to go back to medium where I started, select here, and once again, you can now see the pointer size. Once you're done, just press the home button on the remote control. That closes off the menus and you're back where you started. So I hope that's been useful. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up and check out my channel for other tips and tricks with the LG TV and other technology. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.